Let's talk about the letter Y, because Y actually has 4 sounds. 1 is a consonant sound and 3 are vowel sounds. So we know that Y can be a consonant, like in the word yell, or in the word yellow. Y is a consonant. But Y can also be a vowel. If a Y is at the beginning of a word, it is a consonant. But if the Y is in the middle of the word or the end of the word, it is a vowel. So let's look at some examples of Y in the middle of a word. Okay, it says the I sound when it is found in the middle of a word. It copies I. Are you ready? Let's sound this word out. Gym. Say it again. Gym. Say it fast. Gym. We play basketball in the gym. That is one time that we see Y in the middle of a word. Here's another time we see Y as the only vowel in a word, and it says I again. This time we have a silent letter too. The N is actually silent. So let's sound out this word. Ready? Him. Him. Now this isn't the kind of hymn as in he and him. This is the hymn, which is like a song in church. Hymn. When you see Y in the middle of a word, it says I. Good job. When you see Y at the end of a word, it can say E, as in, okay, so Y is a syllable at the end of this word. So let's decode this word together. Ready? We see 2 syllables because we have 2 vowels, right? Find your vowels. You have 2 vowels, so that means we have 2 syllables. So now we need to know where to break it up. Well, in our earlier lesson, we learned that we try to keep a consonant with Y, so let's try that way first and see if it works. Now we have an open consonant here, which means A says his name, A. So let's sound out our word. Ready? Baby. Baby. Say it fast. Baby. Say it fast. Baby. Yeah, this is the word baby. Good job. Okay, let's look at our new word with Y as a vowel at the end. Again, we can see that we have 2 vowels. So we know we have 2 syllables, and we need to break this up into its syllables in order to read it. So we're going to take our consonant plus Y and separate it and see if that works. Ready? Tap and stretch. Candy. Let's do it again. Candy. Say it fast. Candy. Yeah, that's the word candy. Y at the end of this word is saying E, candy. You noticed that the last word, baby, and now candy are both 2-syllable words. So when Y is at the end of multi-syllable words, it says E. But what happens if Y is at the end of a 1-syllable word? What's this word? My. The sound is I. It makes the long I sound after 1-syllable words, right? My. That doesn't say me, does it? It says my. Very good. In this one syllable word, the vowel Y says I. Are you ready to sound it out? Fly. Good. Try it again. Fly. Say it fast. Fly. I like to fly my paper airplane around the yard. Okay, let's sound out this one syllable word. Ready? Try. Say it fast. Try. I will try to fly my airplane around the yard. Here is another word. Let's sound it out. Cry. Say it fast. Cry. I will not cry when I try to fly my airplane around the yard. Good job. So we can see our letter Y in the middle of a word says I. Our Y at the end of one syllable words says I. And our Y at the end of two syllable words says E. Good job studying Y as a vowel.